Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to basically host a static website. So today we are going to just see how to host a static website at this particular IP. Okay, so this is a public IP and it's static, it's not dynamic, it will not change. So first of all, you must have a cloud service provider. So here I have DigitalOcean. You may be having like AWS or any Google Cloud services. Just get any of them and create any $5 to $6 servers. Nowadays they are cheap. Okay. So first of all, I have the IP. Let's SSH. Basically, we are we SSH to this particular IP address with the root user. Okay, so if we go here, basically we are in this directory. Okay, from the root we change the directory to this. Okay, so this file is being broadcasted. If we go just in this file, you can see this file is basically broadcasted to this page over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to basically remove this static website and host this one which shows the current date, just to see how to basically um, host a static website on a cloud server. So basically this is a part one. In the next part, what we're going to do, we are going to host a dynamic website. Okay, so uh, a dynamic website we have to host, like I have a dynamic website ready that is made with Node.js. Okay, so like that it uses a database and not like this. Okay, so simple HTML file. Okay, so yeah, we have to host a static website for this part, and the next one we're going to use a dynamic one. So here, first of all, what we'll do, let's just comment these lines over here. Let's comment this whole website, this Apache default here, and just go from where we, wait a second, we are in the this one. If there are comments in between, I guess those will disturb the value. Let's see. I guess, yeah, let's comment this also. Yeah, so the whole thing is now commented. And now what we're going to do, we have a code for the static website. Okay, HTML code, and now let's just broadcast this code. Okay, this static website to this IP. Okay, so anyone on the internet can view your website. So here, what I'm to do, we have the code ready. Either you can FileZilla this code into this directory, okay, using the IP address, or you can just copy paste. Like what will, if you're using a dynamic website, hosting a dynamic one with Node.js or many frameworks you have used, then mainly you will FileZilla into the server and use the IP. But here we are going to just host a web page, it's not even a website. Okay, so let's just paste the code over here. So here we have the code pasted. Let's just exit. Yes, this is the code. And if we reload this page, you can see that in this particular IP, if we again go to this IP address to the server, we can see this page now, which shows current date, which is today's date is 8th December. So basically, yeah, this is how you can host a static website in a cloud server. Okay, you can use AWS or any. I said that basically I prefer DigitalOcean. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the video. And yeah, for the sponsorship, basically this website is now up and it is hosted on this server only. Okay, so if anyone wants to learn any of the technologies, okay, any AI, machine learning, full stack development, you want to build these applications or websites or data structures and algorithms, anything like yeah, just go to this website. Okay, this is the link I will give in the description, and here is the if you want to join the classes, just contact and enter your query that you want to admission. Okay, and I'll give you a mail. Okay, so yeah, this is the timetable according to which we have to teach. And if you want to like uh, have a little bit of information or knowledge about all these things, you can become a teacher over here. Okay, just contact me. I will also provide an email address. So yeah, just visit this website and see what is what are the comments. Okay, so yeah, this was about my Lato Academics website. So yes, we are going to host a dynamic Node.js application in the next video. Okay, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Bye.